Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a PC building business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a PC building business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A computer building business is one of the more difficult businesses you can start. Aside from the startup costs, you must be a computer expert yourself, knowledgeable in computer hardware and software, as this will be the reason why customers seek your service. To begin, you must be a computer expert or have formal training in how to build computers, understand the various computer parts, and be able to recommend the software application that the customer should use for their specific needs. You should canvass different computer parts and, at the very least, find a distributor who can supply you with supplies at a reasonable price. Never overstock your computer supplies because computer parts are constantly being improved, and you don't want to be left behind with obsolete parts. Put your computer building company in a commercial location, where offices, schools, government agencies, and other establishments have easy access, because new parts or computers will undoubtedly be in high demand. If you want to place it in the comfort of your own home, you will save money because you will not be paying for rentals, but you will have to put in more effort for your business to be recognized. Make sure that you obtain a license and permit to operate before you begin your computer building business. Registering your new business will also help you, as customers expect dependability, especially when it comes to computer needs. You may also need to hire computer literate workers to help you with repairs, upgrades, and other computer services. You can increase your customer base by advertising your computer building business in classified ads, posters, leaflets, newspapers, or by asking for recommendations from previous customers. There are free ads available online that you can use to promote your business. When a customer is pleased with your work, you will gain their loyalty and they will return. Do not limit yourself to just building computers, you must also learn how to repair, upgrade, and recommend various software applications to your customers. Do not limit yourself to what you can offer, but rather present them with a variety of services. Building a computer will cost you around $300 to $500. All you have to do is make sure that the parts you will be assembling together are compatible, of good quality, and reasonably priced. The following are the essential computer components: motherboard, CPU, RAM, video card, memory card, hard drive, optical drives, power supply, DVD-ROM, operating system, monitor, mouse, keyboard. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a PC building business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.